Hello everyone that's out there. Amanda coming back to you with another quick video, another quick live. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. Happy hump day. Happy hump day. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. If you're tuning in, just let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on today, hashtag replay for me. Hey Tessica. I just want to say that we are having a webinar tonight. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We're having a webinar tonight. It's going to be 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I just launched a new product. Hey, Mark. Thanks for tuning in. I launched a new product that I'm going to be discussing this evening. But not only that, I am going to be giving away $10,000 to my team this year. The reason why I decided to do that is 2020 is a year to give back. I know some people probably say I'm crazy, but God laid it on my heart to do this, and I follow my gut. So my gut wanted me to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be giving back to my team this year because I had so much support this year. A lot of people followed me, believed in my business, joined me, made a lot of money with me. And this is a year and a time to give back, especially with all of the things that we've been going through. A lot of people are out of work. They don't have a job right now. And this is something that I wanted to do. So if you want to hear more about this information and what we're going to be doing, you can tune into our webinar. Again, it's going to be 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the link will be in the comment section. This is going to definitely be a game changer. What I wanted to do was really show people how to build a business the right way. Not only that, how to really focus on income producing activities and not focus on making sales, because that's the thing. People they're too much wrapped into trying to sell something when they should be wrapped into what do I have to do to brand myself? Not only that, what I have to do for consistent traffic. And that's two of the things that I have been able to do really well at. And it's allowed me to build a sustainable business. So what I'm going to be doing is sharing that information. I'm going to be taking a lot of my teammates on this amazing journey over the next 90 days. And I look for as many people as possible to join me in this journey so that you can get to have the time freedom that you're looking for. You can leave your 9-to-5, start making the money that you're looking for. And not only that, you can then pass this information on to others to help bless someone else. So, and that's what somebody did for me back in 2016. Someone showed me how to do this business correctly, and that allowed me to really take my business to the next level. Hey, Ontarian. Hey, Mona. So yes, what I want everyone to do is tune in tonight. $10,000 giveaway for my teammates. This I have never done before, but what it's going to do is allow people to really harness, okay, and really take their business to the next level in a really short period of time. I'm not talking about overnight because there's no such thing, right? Everything that happens, it happens with time and consistency, but it's definitely something that you can do within this year if you get started now, okay? I am a person that likes to work with action takers. I don't like to work with procrastinators, but I love to teach, okay? That's what I used to do for a living before I started my online journey. I used to teach little kids. So that's one of the things that I love to do, but I love it when people follow what it is that I'm teaching them and they're able to get the results that they're looking for, okay? So again, it's going to be 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You definitely want to be there, even if it's, just to see what's going on and see if it's something that you can learn and something that you're able to apply, okay? So hey, Carl. Hey, Jesseline. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Ed. Hey, Karma, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hey, Rex. It's beautiful outside today. You guys see, I got my little thing on, but I'm outside. I'm not around nobody, so I got it off. But I went into the store and I made everybody's wearing their mask. Stay at 6 feet so you could be safe and you could be healthy, right? Hey, Lamont. Hey, Catherine. Hey, Mona. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Tim. Thanks so much for tuning in. So again, guys, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will love to work with you guys. I'm looking forward to this. We got really exciting times ahead. Really exciting times ahead. I put a lot of energy, a lot of effort, a lot of thought into this entire process. And this is definitely going to be one of those things that's much different from the rest. Not only that, we are building as a community, and that's important as well. So again, thanks so much for tuning in. If you want more information, it'll be in a comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, it will be in the description below. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And I'll see you guys tonight. Bye-bye.